Friends, here's a little update on Lieutenant Stitchie. His wife said that his eyes are open and he's able to hear and he recognizes faces, and so that's amazing. Bounty Killer and Shaggy put together 10,000 US dollar to give to her for the GoFundMe. So I am so excited to report this. Let me show you a little bit of it.
Where today we are lending some support to my bigger brother, Cleveland Lane. Cleveland, better known as Lieutenant Stitchie the Governor. As we all aware that recently he has suffered a serious brain hemorrhage where he is unresponsive for some time.
Just want to express sincere gratitude, heartfelt appreciation for this donation to Stitchie's rehabilitation journey. Just to give you a little update, Stitchie is recovering.
Yes.
But we give God thanks for what He's doing in his life.
Yes.
Just to let it be known out there to the public, because I know a lot of ugly rumors are out there. I want to dispel every single one of them right now.
Right.
That
Rebuke
Cleve Eamon Leng, affectionately known as Lieutenant Stitchie, he is alive and well, and he is recovering.
God is great.
He
Amen.
is hearing. His eyes are opened. He responds to voices that he knows, and he is on the road to recovery.
Oh my.
And we bless the Lord for what he's doing in his life, and we continue to believe that we are people of faith, we are a family of faith, and we believe that God is doing a new thing in Cleve Eamon Leng's life. Lieutenant Stitchie, I thank you on behalf of my family, Ali, Julie, the family. We just thank you from the depths of our heart for this, because we know this is going to go a mighty long way on behalf of his recovery and his
And as Richard said, it's going to lead to more. You don't worry.
Yeah, man, the
More
doors,
people
the
coming on
doors.
board.
This needed to happen, because a lot of people was kind of
Somebody have to
confused
step the board,
as to
bold
where
step,
to
yeah.
step. So now,
They know
the door,
how to do it, yeah.
and you say Stitchie is recovering nicely, right?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Oh my, what a great clarification.
Yes.
Hip hip, hooray!